okay, what they're attacking is not me.
May pa-special ako to. Perfect na ba to work with Carla again?
I would rather not. That's an honest answer. For myself, I would rather not.
Pero what have you learned on your past relationship
Na
before?
a relationship doesn't have to be ideal, but it has to be real. Yun na lang siguro na mas masarap yung gano'n. You don't have to make it perfect or live it for other people. If you can live a quiet, have a relationship na kayong dalawa lang talaga, the people that are involved in the relationship.
Last
mas
question na
masarap,
lang.
mas masarap.
Dito ka ba magpapasko or doon ka sa stage?
Here.
Pero hindi dito sila. Dito sila.
Hindi ko na kayang magkahiwalay.
Tatanggap ka ba ng another gay-themed movie ngayong meron ka ng anak? Okay.
Of course, I have no qualms about it. If the right project pa rin, as long as it's not parang gimmicky lang, na it's gay for gay's sake, na it's almost disrespectful to the LGBTQ community. Pero if it's a role like My Husband's Lover, ulit, na meaty role talaga, I would in a heartbeat, yeah.
Thank you.